we going.
Greetings, everybody. We got my boy James and Sika. My boy Sika B and Kabuki King. Alright, we got some news a couple weeks ago. We've got to put this right, man. Some news about these three girls.
These three girls.
I got some news about one of our people that claims something, but it's not really true. Okay, we talk about that. Okay. These three girls. We were about chilling.
Three girls.
Three. And I didn't know you are. Rebel State.
One of them, right? They got paid fines.
They stole something.
They got paid trespassing fines.
And they did what? Community service?
And they did community service, right?
Like they did the road to redemption like TIA. I ain't gonna say no name, but you know who you are. You know who you are.
She was at Turkey Hill, right? She went to Turkey Hill. And she stole gummy bears.
Butterfingers.
In the left pocket. Butterfingers in the right pocket.
And she grabbed the hot dog and put it in her bra.
And she took a bag of 4 AA batteries.
Oh yeah, then
She put it in her back pocket.
Then she left the store and came back with all that stuff in her pocket.
And tried to take more. She got booked. They got her on camera stealing this shit. So she got trespassing and now she got to pay that shit back. Well, her cousin, right? She went in there and she wanted a hot dog too. She put mad shit on her hot dog though. She had a hot dog. She put salad dressing. She put salad dressing. She put sauerkraut. She put mayonnaise. And she put that shit in her sleeve and she got booked too.
There she go right now.
Well,
Nah, listen, man. Go ahead, Jane. Tell her story. Alright, you want to talk about... Alright, I got a ball. I'm not gonna say no names like these niggas wasn't gonna say no names. He said prom night. He said he's gonna fuck this one girl. I'm not saying no names. And y'all know what it is, right?
Yeah, I know what it is.
Alright, yeah. He said he's gonna fuck her on prom night. Now we know this nigga is lying. He says shit, but he really don't do them.
Ooh.
He's kind of a stunner, but he's my nigga, so I'm not gonna hold him on that one, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, he said he's gonna do something. Is he gonna do it?
Wait,
No, he didn't.
He didn't.
Do something. And you know who you are.
You should
No name.
a little bit. Huh? You should be front of the camera. Like, listen, man. Listen, man. These three girls, three of them, they be drawing like balling.
Balling. So it hit me so bad.
Because breaking, leave later. No. Oh my God.
Right, who's the last girl you say you're gonna talk about?
She's a new freak of the week. Give me something to bust. Give me something to beat. See me?